Welcome back to the ultimate destination for speed, power, and performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated supercars of the year. This machine is built for those who crave adrenaline, those who demand nothing but the best in engineering, and those who believe that limits are meant to be shattered. Get ready because what you're about to witness is pure automotive excellence. Beneath the sleek and aggressive exterior lies an engine that defines what true performance is all about. A twin-turbocharged V8, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a mid-engine platform. The power figures are mind-blowing, sending this machine hurtling forward with blistering acceleration. 0 to 60 happens in the blink of an eye, and the top speed is something only the bravest drivers will dare to explore. This is raw, unfiltered power, perfectly harnessed through cutting-edge technology and precision engineering. Every aspect of this machine has been meticulously crafted for performance. The aerodynamics are more than just for show. Every vent, every wing, and every sculpted surface is designed to maximize airflow, enhance cooling, and generate massive amounts of downforce. Carbon fiber elements reduce weight without compromising strength, allowing this beast to remain nimble while delivering mind-bending speeds. The wide stance, aggressive lines, and menacing presence make it clear that this is not just another sports car, it's a track-ready monster built for domination. Inside the cockpit, you're not just driving a car, you're stepping into a high-tech command center. The driver-focused layout ensures that every control is within reach, every piece of information is displayed with precision, and every drive feels like an event. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, allowing you to monitor speed, G-forces, and lap times with absolute clarity. The steering wheel, inspired by race cars, gives you complete control over every aspect of this machine, while paddle shifters ensure lightning-fast gear changes with no lag. The seating is designed to hold you firmly in place, keeping you locked in when cornering forces push the limits of physics. Performance isn't just about raw speed, it's about control. This machine features an advanced suspension system that adapts instantly to the road and driving conditions, ensuring a ride that is both aggressive and composed. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, attacking a race track, or simply cruising on the highway, this car delivers the perfect balance of comfort and stiffness. The dual-clutch transmission works in perfect harmony with the engine, shifting faster than the blink of an eye, keeping you in the optimal power band at all times. Braking is just as crucial as acceleration, and this machine delivers some of the most advanced stopping power available. Carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping force, ensuring that no matter how fast you're going, you can bring this beast to a halt with absolute confidence. The braking system works in sync with advanced stability control, ensuring maximum grip and control under any condition. This means you can push the limits on the track without hesitation, knowing that the car has your back when you need to slow down or make a split-second maneuver. The sound of this machine is unlike anything else. The exhaust note is an intoxicating blend of deep, throaty growls and high-pitched screams, perfectly reflecting the raw power of the twin-turbo V8. At idle, it rumbles with authority, letting everyone know it's ready to unleash fury. Open up the throttle, and it transforms into an earth-shaking roar that commands attention. The active exhaust system allows you to fine-tune the sound, whether you want a refined purr for city driving or an all-out aggressive note for the track. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A declaration that performance, innovation, and passion are alive and well. This machine takes the iconic nameplate to a whole new level, pushing past the boundaries of what was once thought possible. The engineering team behind it has meticulously crafted every detail, ensuring that this is not just an improvement over its predecessors but a complete redefinition of what a high-performance supercar should be. Technology plays a massive role in what makes this car so special. Advanced traction control systems analyze grip levels in real time, making micro-adjustments to power delivery and braking to ensure optimal performance. Aerodynamic elements adjust dynamically, increasing downforce at high speeds while reducing drag for maximum efficiency. The adaptive suspension continuously reads the road and fine-tunes the ride quality, making sure every drive is as smooth as it is thrilling. And let's not forget the track-focused driving modes, allowing you to unlock the full potential of this machine with just the push of a button. One of the most impressive aspects of this car is how it balances raw power with everyday usability. Unlike some supercars that are only comfortable on a race track, this machine is engineered to be driven every day without compromise. The cabin is refined, featuring premium materials, advanced infotainment, and the latest driver assist technologies. Wireless connectivity, high-end audio systems, and a user-friendly interface ensure that you're always connected and entertained, whether you're on a long road trip or heading to the track for a weekend of pure driving bliss. But make no mistake, this is not just a luxury sports car. It is a machine built with one purpose in mind: delivering the most exhilarating driving experience possible. The lightweight chassis, the perfectly balanced weight distribution, the razor-sharp steering response, every element is designed to make you feel connected to the road like never before. It's not just about speed, it's about the way this car communicates with the driver, the way it responds instantly to every input, the way it becomes an extension of you. Competition in the supercar world is fierce, with manufacturers from around the globe pushing the envelope of performance and technology. But this machine stands tall among them, proving that American engineering is not just capable of keeping up, it's leading the charge. With its perfect blend of power, precision, and innovation, this car doesn't just compete with the best, it sets a new standard for what a high-performance machine should be. For those who have followed the legacy of this nameplate, this is the evolution you've been waiting for. It takes everything that made its predecessors great and amplifies it to an entirely new level. More power, more technology, more precision, and more excitement. It is the embodiment of what a true driver's car should be, a machine that rewards skill, demands respect, and delivers an experience unlike anything else on the road. This is not just a car, it's an obsession. A machine that fuels passion, ignites excitement, and delivers thrills in a way that few others can. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the nameplate or someone looking for the ultimate high-performance experience, this machine is guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. The moment you sit behind the wheel, fire up the engine, and feel the raw power surging through the chassis, you'll understand why this is not just another sports car, it's a legend reborn. And that's just the beginning. The future of performance is here, and it's more exciting than ever. If you crave speed, precision, and heart-pounding adrenaline, this is the machine for you. Keep your eyes on the road ahead because this journey is only getting started.